This is me again in my rock climbing gym. It's a little past 10 o'clock, which means I got up at 7, shopped for maybe an hour, then I got to my store maybe at 8:30, and I worked to 6. That's a long time. And then what I did is, guess what I did again? Actually, I went to the movies today. Guess who I went with? I had a hot date. This is the thing you gotta remember. When you're young and full of vigor, and you say I have a hot date, in my mind, that means me, myself, and I. That's 3 of us. So when I go on a hot date, that's me, myself, and I, which means that's 3 of me. I don't need anybody. In fact, if I had somebody, it would kind of mess up the plan, you know what I mean? I'd talk to me, myself, and I, and then talk to this other person. No. Right now, I've got my boxing gloves on, it's past 10 o'clock. I'm going to talk about me, myself, and I. And you never have to be lonely. You know what it means? A lot of people there say, I'm lonely, I'm looking for a match. I'm looking for me, I'm looking for a soulmate. I need someone to complete me. Well, I got news for you. You come in this world alone, and you die alone. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. You have God. I do believe in God, but I also believe in me, myself, and I. That's 3 of us. Right now, I'm getting ready to box. I have boxing in my blood. I never had a fight. I'm 72 years old. I'm thinking about, I don't know. I don't want to get hurt or anything, so. Punch bag. Actually, I'm trying to kick too. Ah! It's kind of funny. 72 years old, I'm boxing. 72 years old, I'm rock climbing. 72 years old, I'm doing push-ups, pull-ups, like a young man. I'm doing things now that I didn't do when I was like 25, 20. Like, he used to go to steps, I used to run up the steps 2 at a time. Now I do 3 at a time. What is that about? The only thing I'm saying to you basically is 72 years old, rocking and rolling. Number 2, 72 years old, me, myself, and I. I don't need anybody to complete me. I feel totally satisfied with me. There's plenty of things to do. Focus on what you like to do. I like to box. I like to rock climb. I actually like movies too. I like to read. I like to write. I like to do movies. I like to share the joy of being a young guy. So share this movie. Share it to all your senior friends, to all the people in the 40s, in their 50s, and their 60s. 70 is in 25. Also keep in mind, I don't have to worry about getting sick. I don't have aches and pains. The main reason, I eat mostly fruit. Not all fruit, but mostly fruit. I would say at least 75-85% on a daily basis. I eat fruit, generally fruit in the morning. Lunchtime I eat my fat. Dinner I'm back to my fruit again. I do eat cooked food, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not saying that's the way. I don't know anybody. Look at I'm punching the door. Yeah. With these gloves it doesn't hurt. Damn, that's top of the line. That's super exciting. You can punch the door. Hey, take that. Oh man, this is what's that? Oh man. You hear that? Door shake. Oh, this is solid. Yeah, I can punch here, punch there, punch all over. I don't know. Anyway, just felt like putting our tape on, sharing what goes on in my mind. Past 10 o'clock at night, rock and rolling, living a dream, super excited. Watch my videos. Do a lot of videos on pretty much every disease out there. If you're still watching this, potluck tomorrow. Send my documentary on breast cancer. 30 women, 30 days, 30 amazing results. We serve them cheeseburgers. My cheeseburgers. Hot cauliflower wings and pizzas. Bye.